Dear students of class 7, this is your science worksheet number 22 and it is dated 30th of September. That means it is for today. So we were learning about nutrition in animals and we have learned about digestive system and the types of teeth in our previous worksheets. We have learned about digestion, which means changing or converting complex substance into simpler substance, that is called digestion. And we have learned about many organs in our digestive system, what type of food we eat, and on that basis we have divided animals into carnivores, herbivores and omnivores. We learned about parasites also. We learned about saprotrophs also, heterotrophs, autotrophs. So there are different categories according to the nutrition in, ठीक है, plants and animals. तो nutrition in animals, we have learned that they eat food, they eat grass, they eat leaves, they eat cooked food like men, and for eating they need tooth. ठीक है, तो should we check our tooth daily? Yes, we must prevent our tooth from decaying. What is the meaning of decay? The food particle, if it is left in between the teeth, then bacteria are there, they grow themselves, they reproduce because they get food, they get sugar from the leftover food, and hence as a result they reproduce to maintain their species, and as a result acid is produced. जैसे हम सूसू पॉटी करते हैं ना, ऐसे जो बैक्टीरियाज होते हैं दे प्रोड्यूस एसिड, and our teeth are made up of calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate and acid react together and they damage the teeth. See the damage done? See, the damage is increasing. Hole has been made and the hole has become a large cavity in the teeth. As a result, the cavity reaches the blood supply. Blood oozes out of the teeth. The teeth there are there is nervous system, and you feel pain because blood is oozing out, and teeth also fall away. And how you are going to chew your food then? So we must keep our teeth clean. We must wash our hands properly before putting our fingers in our mouth. कई बार दांत में कुछ अटक जाता है, मुंह में उंगली डाली और उसको निकाल लिया. करते हो ना ऐसे? नेल्स डाले, दांतों के बीच में कुछ अटक रहा है, नेल्स से निकाल. नहीं, यू मस्ट keep your teeth protected from decaying, and you must observe these 3 points. Brush at least twice a day. Rinse your mouth after every meal. कुछ भी खाओ पानी से कुल्ला करना है, उसको रिंस बोलते हैं, रिंसिंग है. वी शुड नॉट पुट डर्टी फिंगर और ऑब्जेक्ट्स इन आवर माउथ. So teeth are very important for us. Even after you enjoy chocolates, I know. You enjoy sweets, I know. You enjoy soft drinks like Coca-Cola. You always love sugar products. मुझे तो खुद भी बहुत पसंद है चॉकलेट, स्वीट्स माने मिठाइयाँ, और सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक में तो कोका कोला बहुत पसंद है, फैंटा. और शुगर का तो कुछ भी दे दो, कोई भी टॉफ़ी दे दो, केक, पेस्ट्री, कुछ भी दे दो. और फिर पता है क्या होता है, मुंह में टेस्ट होता है ना. वी ऑलवेज थिंक let us enjoy the taste, let us enjoy the taste, but as a result you have damaged your teeth. So after eating everything you must rinse your mouth to protect your teeth from decaying. ये मतलब है बेटा इस पूरी वर्कशीट का. Now let us attempt the questions. First question is, what happens if tooth decay is not treated in time? अगर मान लो somehow टूथ डिके हो गया. टूथ डिके मतलब होल हो गया उसमें पहले एक बारीक सा, फिर वो होल जो था बड़ा हो गया, एंड देन होल बिकेम कैविटी. तो अगर उसको ट्रीट नहीं किया जाएगा तो क्या होगा? यू विल फील पेन. कहाँ लिखा हुआ है देखो? हार्मफुल बैक्टीरिया विल begin to live, and these bacteria break down the sugar सो एज ए रिजल्ट द टीथ विल बी डैमेज्ड। तो ये लिखा बेटा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन के लिए, इफ टूथ डिके इज नॉट ट्रीटेड इन टाइम इट कॉजेज सीवियर टूथ एक एंड इन एक्सट्रीम केसेस रिजल्ट्स इन टूथ लॉस। तो ये आपका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर हो गया बेटा, ठीक है। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट विल हैपन टू योर टीथ, what will happen to your teeth if you don't brush your teeth regularly। यह आंसर हो गया ना, if we don't clean our teeth and mouth after eating many harmful bacteria begin to live and these bacteria break down the sugar। तो ये पूरा आपका जो है ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, यहाँ से यहाँ तक all the 3 lines, ठीक है बेटा। थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज write 2 ways to protect teeth from tooth decay, this is the answer। There are 3 points, you must write 3 points। ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का आंसर हो गया। He is asking for 2 points but you must write all the 3 points, ठीक है बेटा। And protect yourself from COVID-19 pandemic because it is spread by coronavirus and coronavirus enters your body through your nose and mouth only, and you must wear mask whenever you leave the house, and you should maintain social distance of 2 yards। Why? If any infected person is there and he is sneezing and coughing, so if you are at 2 yards from that infected person, the droplets from his mouth after coughing or sneezing will not be able to reach you and you will not be able to catch the disease। And whenever you come back home, you must wash your hands properly with soap and water, then your face and mouth you can change your clothes also, okay beta।